Namaskar. I am Captain Prakash Job. During our last lecture, we were discussing the benefits of joining Merchant Navy, and we could not complete the topic in that lecture. So, here is with part 2 to continue discussing advantages and disadvantages of joining and taking up this career in Merchant Navy. Merchant Navy officers can take shore job after working for about 15 years or so. If they wish to continue sailing, they can continue up to age of retirement. That is, for officers it is 65 years and crew can work up to 60 years of age. But there is always chances and jobs are open, opportunities are open to take up shore job after 15 years or so, and these jobs may not be paying them as much salary what they were getting on ship. This job is best for all the students who are staying anywhere, any part of India, but it is more advantageous to children who are staying in villages because basically to do this job as a sailor on ship, you need not be staying in big cities like metro cities, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi. You can stay in your villages, you can stay in small towns in your native place, and you can look after your farms, you can look after your business, or even you can continue your education and improve your educational status when you are on the leave, because when you are on the leave there is no office work or no ship's work and tensions at all. So when you come home, you are switching off from your job and totally you are belonging to home. So overall, it's a feel good effect. Now we have seen the advantages of joining Merchant Navy. So whenever there are advantages, naturally there are going to be some disadvantages. So what are these disadvantages which are worrying about? So a sailor has to live lonely life on board the ship with very limited socialization, because on board ship you are having team of only about 20 crew and officers, and most of the people are busy in their work, so there is very little time for socialization, so it's a lonely life. Then sailor cannot be present at home for any functions like maybe birthdays, or maybe wedding ceremonies, maybe anniversaries, and so on, or any festivals. So he may not be available at home, and even for any emergency, he is not available at home. Any emergency means suppose somebody gets hospitalized, somebody is sick, somebody is serious, something very serious nature problem is there at home, the sailor is not available to face directly, because if he is working on ship, he cannot come home by leaving his job till his tenure is finished. Okay, so he is away from near and dear ones for long durations at a stretch. And how long durations these are? For crew, normal tenure is about 9 months. For officers, it's about 9 months, 6 months, 4 months. It is possible. And some ships, like if you are working in different specialized ships, then it is possible that tenures are short. They may be just about 3 months or 2 months. So that is also possible. Or even if you are working in offshore field, then sometimes specialized jobs if you are doing, then tenure can be as much short as 45 days on and 45 days off, or sometimes even it is 15 on 15 off. So these type of tenures are also possible. But which merchant navy we talk or which jobs we talk normally, the tenures will be for crew it will be about 9 months, and for officers, it can be ranging from 9 months to 2 months, okay, depending on which position he is holding. Okay, this education or joining merchant navy at initial stage, it is very expensive, means college fees and and the lodging boarding fees or various courses fees are quite expensive. But the education loans are available for most of the courses. All the courses which are done for joining ship, those are called as pre-sea training course. They are all to be done a residential course. So residential course means you must take education by staying in campus, staying in hostel, and learning, because you are given various type of training starting from parade, then discipline, hierarchy, and practicals and theory. More importance is given to the practical training. So initial period you may feel this is expensive, but even you are not having those many funds, the bank loans, education loans are always possible. So these many only disadvantages are there. So we have seen advantages or benefits of joining merchant navy. The list was quite a long, and also we have seen and discussed disadvantages of the sailor job. And as a result, overall advantages are far more than disadvantages. And so, why not join Merchant Navy? My next lecture will be lecture number 3. Is Merchant Navy career suitable for my child? Thank you for your time and watching this video. Kindly subscribe the channel if you have not done it so far. Thank you.